Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to bold the borders of a table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to bold the borders of table. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Table option and insert a table. Then click the outside of this page and we can see here these table borders are not bolded. Now we want to bold this table border. Select the whole table, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the table design menu and click the pen white and select the 6 pg. Then click the line color option, choose black. Then click the borders drop down menu and choose all border. Then click outside of the table. Now we can see we bold the table border very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.